Thank you for purchasing a 2019 Ninja Planner. We are grateful for your support and look forward to hearing how the 2019 Ninja Planner fits into your business and your life. Every 2019 Ninja Planner is shipped with these items in the box: a 2019 Ninja Planner, a set of reusable tabs, and 2 adhesive pockets. Let's talk about how you can use these to customize your planner to your own individual style. You can use a Sharpie or a permanent pen to write on the colored portion of each tab. We like to create one tab that says weekly and one tab that says monthly. We then attach these tabs on the page for the current week and month respectively. When the week or month changes, you can easily peel them off and attach them to the new week or month. This allows you to quickly flip to the relevant week or month in your Ninja Planner. We also like to attach one to the 2019 Full Year Calendar View. The Full Year Calendar View was specifically designed as a resource to use during the dialogue of getting you where you want to go on time. If you're not familiar with this dialogue, you can review it on page 277 of the Ninja Selling Book. With the tab in place, you can quickly flip to the full year calendar while visiting with customers during this dialogue. The adhesive pockets can be placed on the inside front or back cover of the planner, depending on what works best for you. The inside back cover is a very popular spot. The pocket fits a few sheets of folded 8.5 by 11 paper perfectly. If you use it, this is a great spot to keep a copy of your Ninja Business Tracker. If you're not familiar with the Ninja Business Tracker, you can visit page 130 in the Ninja Selling Book to see a description. You can print a copy of the tracker and carry it with you in this pocket and then refresh it as necessary. Some people also like to print out the weekly view of their electronic calendar and carry it here. The possibilities are really up to you. Take some time to use the 2019 Ninja Planner and then use the tabs and pockets to customize the Ninja Planner to best suit your needs. As always, send questions or comments to us at feedback@monumentalliving.com. We look forward to hearing how the Ninja Planner is working for you. Thank you.